There are so many unique features on the Q4 e-Tron, but there is one that deserves special attention, and that's e-quattro. Now yes, Quattro is an iconic all-wheel drive system. While there have been several technical solutions for Quattro, the system in the Q4 e-Tron, e-quattro, is the most sophisticated system yet. Now, it's not an easy task to demonstrate the benefits in this short video, but I'll use this opportunity to explain what makes it special and what you should pay attention to during that first and subsequent drives with the Q4 e-Tron. Now, to be clear, in most driving situations, the Q4 e-Tron will operate as a rear-wheel drive vehicle, and this is simply to maintain maximum efficiency. However, the system is scanning the road every millisecond and adjusting the distribution of torque accordingly. Now, as a result, this is the fastest Quattro we've ever had in terms of the ability to adjust to changing surfaces and conditions. Part of what makes e-quattro so special is that each axle has its own electric motor. Now, normally, we have an engine in the front, and we simply divide up the available torque between the front and the back. But with e-quattro, each axle can independently deliver torque or in combination with the other axle. And this gives us all kinds of possibilities in terms of how we get the power to the road. Now, one of the other key benefits of this powertrain is the overall weight distribution. So with two relatively lightweight and compact electric motors at each end, the Q4 e-Tron is very well balanced, and this further enhances control. So when driving the Q4 e-Tron, pay attention to the overall stability of the vehicle and the confidence that you feel both through the steering wheel and the accelerator. But also remember, when there's a safe opportunity for a more spirited acceleration, the Q4 e-Tron provides maximum torque right away. And while it's torque that's pulling you back into the seat, it's e-quattro that's harnessing that torque and getting it to the road. So e-quattro contributes both to the driving enjoyment and confidence of the Q4 e-Tron.